Hello, Class 6. Today we are going to talk about articles. Articles is lesson 14. It's on page 99. So you can take out your textbooks and follow while I explain. Now, I'm sure you've heard about articles before. You must have done them before in the lower classes. So articles are a, an, and the. So if the question says fill in the blanks with articles, then you will fill in the blanks with either a or an or the. Okay. Now there are two kinds of articles: definite article and indefinite articles. Definite article. Definite article is the. Okay. Indefinite articles are a and an. First, we will talk about the indefinite articles a and an. Now remember, articles are used with nouns. Okay. So in the case of a and an, these two articles are used with singular nouns, and they are used to show any kind of noun. They point to any kind of noun. It doesn't matter what noun we are talking about. Remember, nouns are persons, places, animals, or things. All right. Now, a and an are used with singular nouns. For example, a ladder. A ladder means one ladder. A means one. Okay. A song, that means one song. A bird means one bird. An egg, one egg. An apple, one apple. You cannot say a houses, okay, because houses is plural and a means one. So remember, a and an mean one. Okay, so they are used with singular nouns. Let's talk about an. When do we use the word, the article an? An is used with vowel sounds. So what are vowels? I hope you remember. A, E, I, O and U are vowels. So words, nouns that begin with vowel sounds should have an in the front. All right. For example, an honest man. There is an H here. H is a consonant, but you are not pronouncing the H. You are saying an honest man. Oh is a vowel sound. All right. You don't say honest, you say honest. So in the same way, an hour. You do not pronounce this consonant sound here. You say an hour. So hour is a vowel sound. Another example, an M-A. M is a consonant, but the sound that comes out when you pronounce M is E. M-A is a vowel sound, right? So you say an M-A. Now let's make a few sentences using a or an. Please give me a pen. If I use a, it means I am requesting you to give me a pen. Any pen. Out of all the pens that are available in that room or anywhere in the shops or in the world, okay? Out of all those, I am asking you for a pen, any kind of pen. So that is the use of and what it means. Next example, I saw an umbrella outside. So here also it means I saw one umbrella, any umbrella. I do not have any special way of talking about that umbrella, or I do not mean it to be specific. It is not specific. It is just an umbrella, okay? Any umbrella. So that is when you use the words a or an. Now let's look at the definite article the. The can be used with singular and plural nouns. For example, you can say the boy. You can also say the boys. The tree. It is also correct to say the trees. The is used when you are talking about something special, about a particular noun or a unique noun. All right? The is used for things that are only one in the world. For example, the sun, the moon, the prime minister, the president. Okay, we use the for these nouns. Now, let's try and make an example of using a and the. Let's look at the sentence. She bought a hat. She bought a hat. That was in a shop. She must have gone to a shop and found a hat that she liked, and so she bought it. It is any hat that was found from any shop, okay? One hat. The first time that I'm talking about the noun the hat, I am using a as an introduction. Now, as I continue to talk, I will use the. The hat was brown. Here I have used the because I am now talking about the specific, particular hat that she bought. Amma sabera chuan lukhum pakhat alei ringot mai ni. Adot lea chuan chu lukhum chu katitani. Chu lukhum chu katikha the adonitani, okay? The hat was brown. You cannot continue saying a hat was brown. You have to now say the because you are talking about this particular hat. Now, at the bottom of page 99, you will find the meaning of articles and when to use indefinite articles, and later on when to use definite articles. I want you to read those pages and see how a, an, and the are used. The words a, an, and the are called articles. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any specific person or thing. The article the is called a definite article because it refers to a specific person or thing. Then you find here the uses of the indefinite articles. So I want you to read all this. I'm sure you understand everything that has been written down. So let's turn over to the next page. So here also on page 100 you have the different uses of a and the. Okay, and then on the next page you have uses for the definite article. Definite article the. All the different uses. I want you to read through all of them. On page 102 we have omission of articles. Omission means to omit. Omit means not to use, okay, when we don't use articles. Sometimes in English we do not use a or an or the. So these are the different points again. Okay, I want you to read them. Before the names of people and cities. For example, Lucknow. You don't say the Lucknow. You don't say the Aizawl. You don't say the Mizoram. So for the names of cities and for people also. I met Ankit at the metro station. You don't say I met the Ankit. Okay? You don't say I met the Moizwala. You just use that particular noun. Before names of languages and nationalities. See, she is learning German. You don't say she is learning the German. And here, before abstract ideas, let's go out for dinner tonight. Next, before the names of sports, let's play football. You don't say let's play the football. Okay. Before the names of subjects, Ravi is good at maths, not the maths. So in the same way, continuing on page 103, there are some more points to remember. Okay, so I want you to read through all that too. And that will be all for today.